call it Wall Street Candyland. A place where every ticker is a lollipop and every trade is sweet. But they don't tell you about the cavities in your sanity. They don't tell you that the sugar is poison. Yeah. Staring at the screen, it's another day, another fight. Candlesticks are painted green with the toxic blinding light. Got a parabolic runner, an irrational machine. Everybody's chasing, living out a FOMO fantasy dream. But I see the truth behind it, read the volume and the pace. This whole entire rally's built on nothing, empty space. So I'm aiming for the fall, yeah, I'm betting on the pain. I hit the button, short position, going straight against the grain. Heart is beating out my chest, 100 ticks a second. Every dollar up against me is a lesson that I've reckoned with the demons in the market, with the greed inside the lies. I'm just waiting for the moment that the sugar castle dies. Take me to VW land, I'm fading from the high. This price is built on nothing but a sugar-coated lie. Take me to VW land before my profits die, before they hunt my stop loss underneath this blood-red sky. Yeah, this ain't no candy land, it's a war inside my head. Just need that one rejection, leave the bulls for dead. Take me to VW land, escape the sea of red. On my P&L is screaming, fill my soul with dread. They're trying to squeeze me out now, feel the pressure and the heat. Algorithm bots are running, trying to signal its defeat. But I'm watching order flow, see the sellers build a wall. They're absorbing all the buyers, getting ready for the fall. It's a psychological battle, more than numbers on a chart. They wanna break your spirit, wanna tear your plan apart. They want you second guessing every move you ever made, till you're chasing your own losses in the sick financial game. But the RSI is screaming that it's way outside the bounds, and the volume's disappearing, making hollow empty sounds. So I hold on to my thesis with my finger on the mouse. This ain't a faded castle, it's a fragile house of cards, a paper house. They call it the magnet, I call it the truth. In a market that preys upon the ambitious youth, I'm addicted to the chaos, the risk and the gain. A glutton for the punishment, a sucker for the pain. This candy land is poison, but I take another bite, just praying I can make it back to safety for the night. And take me to VW land, I'm fading from the high. This price is built on nothing but a sugar-coated lie. Take me to VW land before my profits die, before they hunt my stop loss underneath this blood-red sky. Yeah, this ain't no candy land, it's a war inside my head. Just need that one rejection, leave the bulls for dead. Take me to VW land, escape the sea of red. On my P&L it's screaming, fill my soul with dread. They call it the magnet, I call it the truth. In a market that preys upon the ambitious youth, I'm addicted to the chaos, the risk and the gain. A glutton for the punishment, a sucker for the pain. This candy land is poison, but I take another bite, just praying I can make it back to safety for the night. Take me to VW land, I'm fading from the high. Yeah, this one's for all my bears out there. You see that chart? Going parabolic. You know it can't last forever, baby. There's only one place I need you to go. Listen. I've been watching you since the opening bell, casting your hypnotic green candle spell. You're flying so high, way above the mean, the most overblood chart I've ever seen. I clicked the sell button, girl, I'm shorting you now. I got a feeling you're about to turn around somehow. My stop loss is set, but my heart is beating fast. This beautiful setup, oh, I need it to last. Oh, won't you take me to VW? Yeah, that's where I need to go. Oh, baby, take me to VW. Bring that price down nice. and slow. I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to the bubbly boy, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. The buying volume's fading, oh it's getting weak. You're trying to push higher past the morning peak, but those little red candles, they're starting to show, telling me a story that all the bears know. Don't you fake me out, girl, don't you start to squeeze. Just look at the indicators, baby, won't you please? Don't you break my heart with a new high of day. My profit target's waiting, it's not that far away. Oh, won't you take me to the bubble pole? Yeah, that's where I need to go. Oh, baby, take me to the bubble. Bring that price down, nice and slow. I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to the bubbly boy, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. The buying volume's fading, oh it's getting weak. You're trying to push higher past the morning peak, but those little red candles, they're starting to show, telling me a story that all the bears know. Don't you fake me out, girl, don't you start to squeeze. Just look at the indicators, baby, won't you please? Don't you break my heart with a new high of day. My profit target's waiting, it's not that far away. Oh, won't you take me to the bubble pole? Yeah, that's where I need to go. Oh, baby, take me to the bubble. Bring that price down, nice and slow. I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to the bubbly boy, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. The buying volume's fading, oh it's getting weak. You're trying to push higher past the morning peak, but those little red candles, they're starting to show, telling me a story that all the bears know. Don't you fake me out, girl, don't you start to squeeze. Just look at the indicators, baby, won't you please? Don't you break my heart with a new high of day. My profit target's waiting, it's not that far away. Oh, won't you take me to the bubble pole? Yeah, that's where I need to go. Oh, baby, take me to the bubble. Bring that price down, nice and slow. I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to the double pie, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Yeah. They call it the magnet, the line of control, where institutional money can make a trader whole. I ain't asking for a crash, I ain't asking for the floor. Just come back to that average and I'll be out the door. That volume weighted price, yeah, it's looking so sweet to me. Come on, baby, sell it off. Oh, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down for me now. Oh, baby, take me to the double me. I gotta cover my short, don't you see? Oh, I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to the double way, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Take me there, baby, oh, to the VW ring. That beautiful golden line on my screen. Come on, just a few more ticks, yeah, that's the way. Let me see that green. They sell you the dream.
Alrighty, traders. Good morning. Got a few tickers, guys. I want to go over here in pre-market. The Peppa Pig G, Pep G, PPG. This one has been paying out this morning after the offering news that they came out with. We'll pull up that chart. Working this, guys. Have worked a couple trades on it. Let me spotlight that chart. I've worked a couple trades on this, had a couple hundred shares up here at 640, and started taking profit along the way under 6, and then I re-hit it, with smaller size since, the average is a little worse here. But this one came out with like 31 million shares or something crazy there that let me take a look at that again. PEPG, they 31.2 million shares of common stock at $3.20. So they offering, guys, diluting everyone at 320. 320 is where they sold all those shares, diluting their current shareholders that have bought it up here. I mean, even at 320, that's above the previous close. They came out with some decent news for after hours, but yeah, this Pep G's been fairly bearish, and fingers crossed it might actually can get me where I need to be on this eval. So I'm working that position right now, and I've gotten back up, man. I've gotten back up to, like, God, dude. My projected balance is 26,600. And that's because of a few invalidated trades for the 10-cent roll. But guys, I've been grinding this eval, like grinding it really hard and trying to stay disciplined and focused on it. So if I were to close this position, the sloppy seconds position right now, I'd be over 1,500. But I need a little bit more than that. If you guys remember, I need a little bit more than that for this trade. But with the offering down there at like 320, I'm going to try to kick back with this position. Kick back with this position. I'm already up on the day, 83. But the leftover position here, I'm just going to kind of kick back with, since, they offering at 320 with all those shares. I mean, well, I highly doubt this thing could reclaim. But there's a few other plays this morning outside of the Peppa G. We got this little penny play, PSTV, moving right now. Healthcare related ticker. They got an analyst upgrade. Closed at 40 cents. So we'll see where this one's going to end up heading. To $1.20, Magic 20, very tough on PSTV. So I'll be monitoring that level for PSTV. Come on, Peppa G. If Peppa G heads down towards like low fives, I'm funded. So, and they offering at 320, so it's very likely that could happen too. TNFA, guys, that was nuts. This play yesterday. So I mean, this thing squeezed out shorts, it double topped and then curled back around, squeezed up through new highs. It's a tough market to be buying high and hoping higher in. It certainly is. You just got to be very mindful, careful about doing that in this market environment. Let me see what I do need this thing at. Be up $120, $40 would have me at 1520 on the account. I need my account at like 1560, so probably another 30 cents on it. 30 cents on it, like 520. 520s, I'll be good. I'm just kind of trying to do some math, because honestly, I'm just gonna take it when I'm funded on it. I'm just gonna take it off. But I could certainly see this thing in the low fives. As we're heading to Bell, Peppa G. All right, so let's keep flipping through a few more. RCT is interesting as well. I need to share my Thinkorswim for pre-market analysis. I'll get back to TTP's Trader Evolution. Guys, this week's been so volatile for me on the emotional side of things, because I completely effed up the eval, and now I'm right back up there again. It's been a tough week, James, for me emotionally. Like Monday, I was there, funded, and then blew it. I didn't blow the account, but I'd lost. It was an awful day. And then I'm there, James. I'm there. I'm right there, back up there at it with Peppa G this morning. Right back up there on the account. So, like one more trade, or if Peppa G, I'm working Peppa G on leftovers, James. If Pep G works out, I'm funded. If it keeps fading, they offering at like 320, James. So that's why PEPG's been so heavy. So I've been working that in pre-market and doing real well on it here in pre-market PEPG. So any pop, that thing's been shorted and it's very heavy. That thing's likely headed down. PEPG. So let's go through some more of the pre-market watch list. I can only be on here till like about 9:50. Fades was going to hop on to in a few minutes. And James, if you got a pre-market list you want to talk about, you're welcome to get on here for a little bit too this morning. All right, let's head on through some more of these watch list plays. Again, Peppa G, going to be working that. Here's the chart there. 620s is my stop on leftovers. Otherwise, I'm going to let this thing work on down to the low fives. PSTV, little penny play analyst upgrade. That one's up. 120, major resistance on it. OFAL, I saw OFAL yesterday in after hours, and I liked it a lot. I just, Fade said that these stop limits work with Trader Evolution, so I might start holding some plays overnight. I'm highly uncomfortable with that, but if we can place stop orders, I might do it because these plays are highly profitable. But yeah, if the stop limits work, so we can have a stop, I'll be okay with that. RCT is kind of hangover-ish to me. I like the 168 level to risk off of. Yesterday was a decent move. It's not up a ton, though. Not up a ton. Your LAC trade, James, had another gap up today. And then QURE certainly in play today. $13. That thing gapped up. Hit a high in pre-market this morning, 56. And so that one's holding that breakout level around 50. So I want to see what that's going to do around that 50 level today, because that's going to be a nice fade when the fade comes on to that play. Yeah, LAC, a lithium company, that got another pop here in pre-market at 4 o'clock this morning. So that 4 o'clock was very fruitful again. Right at 4, this thing just shot straight up and coming back down. So... and that ended up being a pretty good play. Yeah, outside of that, I mean, I like this SLNH too. SLNH we were looking at. That one had a strong close, but is now fairly heavy against, those levels. Even that 350. Even that 350 level. So we'll want to keep our eyes on that. PEPG's buying up off of 560s right now. I just imagine it's going to be heavy on any pop. So SLNH not bad here. 350. I mean, I like that level to risk off of. Let's keep flipping. EGMH has been that one's been a slow fader as well, but that's light volume. Lux, James, you got Lux, LUXE. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful, just like 4 a.m. ripper. And it's been fading ever since. Man, those 4 a.m. plays. Hopefully Bernadette got that one. Outside of that, it has certainly been a little slower this morning. EVAX, this one, I just saw this one on the scans. EVAX. Vaccine candidate to Merck. Has licensed its vaccine candidate to Merck & Company in a deal potentially worth $600 million to the clinical stage biotechnology company. Potentially. Gotta love those words, potentially. A lot of PRs utilize those potentially words. All right. CPOP getting a little pop. They just came out with news. CPOP plans continued accumulation of 1,000 BTC, enters $1 trillion crypto entertainment market. Announces plan to accumulate an additional 1,000 BTC over the course of the next year. This initiative aims to establish the $100 million Crypto Pop Fund, marking a full-scale entry into the trillion-dollar crypto entertainment market. So it has a plan to acquire 1,000 Bitcoin over the next year, is CPOP's news. Let's see what they do off of that. The 130 is good support. They're stepping into some resistance territory. CPOP. That's too funny. Too funny. They'll do anything to, catch that news and ride it on out. All right. Past chart history is suggesting $2 is going to be strong resistance there. I'll highlight that for you guys. $2. James, yeah, those 4 a.m. plays, very great time to trade because there isn't a lot of volume. It's coming down. Yeah, we see it every day. I gotta start. So Fade suggested just like getting up and taking the trade and then going back, setting the stop limit and going back to bed. I agree with that. All right. So add symbol, what do we got? CPOP. Yeah, the Bitcoin and crypto companies. Yeah, no. They're all doing this, man. I'm gonna see. I mean, there's nothing else popping off, so I'm gonna see what CPOP does as I kick back here still with PepG. PepG could stay, that one. I want something else to get the hype, so PepG fades down to 5. Because if PepG fades to 5, I'm funded. 520s even. I think I'm funded. I'm realized, James, about 83 so far, up about 100 unrealized, and I think I need like 150, and I'll be funded. So that's pretty good considering the disaster I had earlier in this week. Absolute disaster, James. This has been a highly volatile week. But we're going to be there today. CPOP may provide that entry. I like the 220 level there, but it's still not up a lot off of the close. I know how Fades discusses like percentage-wise. We still wouldn't be up a ton. 220. Yeah, 220 I do like there. But again, there's nothing else going on. And so here's another ticker popping up right now. AMPY. Whoa, AMPY. Any news? AMPY. $650 resistance left of the chart. A ton of 6 to 7 resistance left of the chart. Oh, it's an energy. Oh my God, this thing just dumped, James. As soon as I pulled it up, she just shot down 50 cents. Well, dang. All right, we got 10 minutes till the open, so we're seeing some increased volatility right now. We'll see how this market's going to open up. I'm going to clean up my watch list a little bit. Let me know what you guys want me to take a look at, though, before the market opens on up. PepG just dumped a little bit more. Okay, good. LAC. I need it to stay heavy. Head down really to that offering price. AMPY. SLNH. I did like that one. RCT wasn't bad. I'm just adding some tickers right now to EVEX, to my TTP watch list as I flip through the tickers there. But yeah, good morning so far. I mean, taking the higher predictable setup. So, James, what's the focus today? Yesterday, when you again, like you did that very well, focusing in on not home run, but when you focus on just base hits, like we tend to do better. We're able to just think with so much more clarity, taking losses, letting winners run. We just do so much better when we're thinking. We narrow in our, focus on just taking good setups and not trying to get funded in one day. Did that offering news come out yesterday though? Because so on PepG I saw the offering news at like 2:30 this morning, but it may now this is 100. No, it came out with that news maybe even yesterday. Made 500 on QURE. Wait, so you were up? You had your half Q yesterday, and then you went swinging. You went swinging on QURE. Is that what you're telling me? All right, yeah, PepG getting a little pop there. My average is 594. Really, at this point, I don't think I want it back over 6, so I may adjust my stop going into the open there. Oh, SPRC is one. SPRC is kind of curling back around a little bit. Okay, we can throw that one on the watch list too. Oh my God, AMPY. Dude, James. We saw the 6 resistance. It was so close, man. So close, but no cigar. Lots of stops. Okay, good. Good. Dude, Fades, what is going on? Fades, look at this trade right here. AMPY. I just had pulled it up, looked left of the chart, like saw the 6 resistance, and shoo, straight down point.
Man.
Uh,
That just happened
how's
just
your
now.
morning going though? Yeah, it just happened.
Damn. Yeah, it's good, bro.
Uh,
PPG, like I texted you, I have real good conviction on it. I got a little chopped out early. This theme, man, like what is this market, bro? Like announce an offering and you pump. Like this market, man, it's just so irrational. But I got chopped up a little bit in the beginning, but it definitely looked like it topped out there. If you look at the wicks at like 7 towards 8, and
yeah,
definitely been downtrending from there and heavy, right? It just kind of feels like it might be done now. Same exact
yeah,
theme
it
as
does.
SHFS or something like that. Like it pumped after hours and then it kind of topped out pre-market and sold off. Kind of thinking the same thing.
Just super heavy on that pop that it just had.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm in 700 shares. I mean, I've been milking this thing. I'm in heavy.
What price are you in at?
Well, I'm like break even on this trade, but I've been in and out of it for
Oh,
a few.
so it's around. You're just been scalping it. So it's
Yeah, I'm up a couple
or
hundred in a day. Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Yeah, good alert, dude. Because if I mean, I'm in half of my shares, but if this thing, we get it down
I think it can
530s or
get you
so,
there,
I'm
man.
good.
I'm pretty convicted, dude. I'm looking, I'm looking to hit the gas on my 50K on this thing and just ride it down, man. Like I like the trade a lot.
Yeah, me too. I'm trying to look for something else, but I'm like, man, this
Yeah,
FG is kind of where it's at. It's heavy on pops. It's got everyone's diluted, dude. They unleashed 31 million shares at
that's what I'm saying,
320.
dude.
Who
But
is buying this?
they
We're
announced.
getting
See,
so
that's what
diluted.
doesn't make sense because they announced that like after hours. I think they announced it or something like that, and it like dipped for a minute and then it spiked back up, ran all after hours, churned all after hours, and then pre-market churned a little bit and like at the open, and then it finally topped out there and kind of the vibe changed. But for some reason, they were just walking that thing up, dude. The market makers, and then like if you zoom in on the time frame though, it definitely looks like they topped it at 7.6. If
Yeah.
you see that liquidation there, how I watched the tape right then and there, And look at that sweep. Like they washed it down like a dollar, spiked it up like $1.05, and then they just started rinsing it from there. So definitely kind of felt like the confirmation. Hey, good morning,
Got the
Baron.
OG Green Team members in here today.
Yeah,
Bob
we
and
missed you, man. We've
uh,
been having a really good last week or two together, all trading on stream. Got
I
James in there
know,
yesterday.
dude.
That was fun.
That was awesome. Yeah, we did real well yesterday. Yeah, we talked about you a few times, Baron, wondering how you been doing. And Bob as well. How's it been going, guys? Yeah, this Pep G. I like what are we doing? What are
I'm
we doing
watching it
here?
right here. Like I'm said, I'm in pretty big size, so I'm gonna be like actively trading it throughout the day. I mean, it's my main focus. I'm giving it almost all my attention, but keep an eye on the scanner. Keeping an eye on seeing what else gives. But I like this trade right now. So
I'm like, dang it.
like a big
Uh,
bidders at 6 showing up now. It's like, are they gonna play with it at Bell? Probably. So I'm gonna have to probably
yeah, I'm
down.
wondering if I want to just take it off for Bell and revisit. I don't know, but we could see this thing dump at Bell.
My
That's
stop
look
just
like right
got hit.
now.
Yeah, exactly. My stop just got hit. So stop limits do work. You have to have a stop limit and you have to give it room, right? You can't just put a stop at 601 and your cover at like 602. Like you could probably get skipped over. I'm not sure.
So
Since
how does
especially
it
when you trade
work
the
with
full,
this?
right? You might get filled regardless, but I always set my stop like 30 cents above just so it fills. You know what I'm saying?
So you set the stop and that triggers the limit. Is that how that
Mhm.
works?
Yeah, the stop price, and then it'll like try to buy you at that limit. So you could probably get skipped
Okay.
over if you don't widen it. So I give it like a 5%, like a couple percent difference in the trigger and then like what the actual limit, just because it's after hours. I don't want to get like skipped over or something somehow. If that makes sense.
Yeah, this Pep G just got bought up on that crazy. I'm just like, what is going on here? I
Yeah, let's see the 6 level. That's key, right? Like there was a big bid that kind of got over 6 and now
si-
it's back under. So
I kind of want to smack it again at 620 if this
and
thing.
you can set a stop. That's what's beautiful. You can set a stop now, smack it heavy, set a stop above like that level right here. Like you can really work it with these stops. Um,
This would be in Mr. Doug in the building too. Yeah, we got the OG Green Team in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit this again at 620. I mean, I feel like this thing can elevator down and halt down, dude. With the 31 million shares they dumped on the investors at $3.20. Who in their
it's,
right
it,
mind is buying this thing?
yeah, it feels like they just, I don't know. It feels like some massive orchestrated bag holder audition to me. Like, I just don't understand it. Because, like, they did announce, like, positive data on, like, a phase one. So that's, looming, but they're diluting, like, the hell out of everyone at half the price of the stock right now.
Yeah.
So that's like what we're dealing with, and we're probably going to see some volatility here at the bell, but I'm definitely in some uh, ahead just because like we could also just see a halt down and like a death candle right
Yeah,
around.
halt down, death candle. Exactly. That's the only reason I'm in this
So,
at Bell because I
yeah,
feel like that's incoming. That could be
yes,
incoming
I'll
here.
probably put a stop like mid high sixes
Yeah, I feel that
in
too.
my
Like six forty
position, and
fifty.
then kind of like vibe it out from there.
Oh boy. Um, my
What's it
Trader
look like?
Evolution just froze.
Yeah, and you'll get that lag sometimes at Bell too. I've told you about that before, where like the king of the
What
day, the
the
price
hell?
went. Yeah, I'm frozen right now too. See if it does
You're
an
frozen?
9:30 price glitch, and I can make a bunch of money real quick. So I've done that before. Is the price lagging?
Okay, it's
I think
good
it
now.
is. Yeah. Is it lagging? I think it's caught up now.
That freaked me out. I'm like, I don't even know what this thing's trading at.
Oh, it is
All right.
lagging. It's behind a little bit.
Okay, I'm monitoring it because yeah, we could see that
Oh,
death drop on it. What is it doing, dude? Climbing up like this. There's so much resistance overhead. I want to smack it again up here. You know what I'm saying?
mm-hmm.
Let me
The
see.
price is the price is lagging right now, bro. If we see a volatile
I'm
move,
monitoring.
like it's doing that thing where the price can't catch up because it's so much volume. I'm looking at Webull and Trade the Pool, and it's like a discrepancy a little bit. So Webull should be ahead of it in price. So if we see like a massive dump, I'm gonna smack the hell out of it. How many shares I have? Just turning right now. It's
I'm
6.
I'm with Thinkorswim and Trader Evolution, and they're pretty much trading identically.
Okay. Yeah, now it's kind of caught up now. Yeah, it caught up.
Oh,
It was lagging there for a
death
second.
incoming.
It
Death
was
drop
lagging for a
incoming.
second. There was like a 10-cent discrepancy that you could take advantage of. And if there's volatility there and that glitches out, like I said, I've printed a lot of money with that glitch before. It doesn't always happen, but on Kings of the Day like this, where everything's kind of concentrated, the price will lag like that, how it like lagged at Bell and then readjusted. And for like a couple minutes, the price was not true. It was a little off. Have you any of you guys noticed that before in chat?
I want to hit this thing again, but I'm like confused at this price action. I'm like, why are we holding
It's
up? Why
it's
are there
kind
so
of,
many buyers stepping into
dude,
this?
that's I'm trying to say, man, this thing has been trap city. Like this thing has trapped and trapped and trapped. So, do not
Yeah,
get
sometimes you get that offering news, and then they take advantage of it. They're like,
here we
oh,
go.
so many. Here we go. 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 All right, come to Papa. Come to Papa. And then
I
it
mean,
buys up a little bit.
is anything else going on, guys? Because I haven't seen much. There was like a couple little pump and dumps that gave it up quick. Here it goes, spiking up on us. This
Yeah, I'm just gonna set the stop and not get tunneled here. Six
yeah,
like
yeah.
32, something up there.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna set a.
630-ish.
I'm in big, so if it breaks above the 6.2, I'm gonna get out a good bit, but I'll be looking to feel it out from there, depending on what it wants to do.
Yeah, Baron, I know all about that too, man. Like I traded on Tilt 2, a few years ago. Like it's a tough time. It's a tough time. You'll get through it though.
Yeah, we've all been there, Baron. Seriously, dude. Like, if you catch up on these streams, like you'll see it all with us, like the good, the bad, the ugly.
SPRC's putting in a bunch of upper wicks.
Yeah, SPRC. One of my short buddies on StockTwiz worked that this morning. It was a beauty, but it's one of those like you got to be watching the scanner, like ready to smack it immediately. Here we go. Watch out. Come on, Wick.
I'm trying to like not look at PepG, but I can't help myself.
I'm forced to, bro. Like I'm so invested in this.
You're in 7. SPRC's dumping, bro. Oh my god.
How much is it up?
I'll let you know. I'll let you know if it halts down. It's got such heavy like 6 resistance on it.
I'll pull the chart up on my screens.
It's not up.
Dude, these wicks. Like, oh my god, the wicks, bro. So annoying.
Yeah, it's like the market maker's toy right now. It's their toy. Just take it to where she's going. I'm gonna probably hit SPRC against like let me see, 610.
Is it having a sloppy play? Is that what's going on with SPRC? Okay.
It could get the chat room pump on it. It's right now it's heavy against 6.
Let's hope it
probably
goes.
Better to avoid.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, my buddy
better to avoid. Oh, CPOP is spiking up. CPOP that had massive. That was on like so. CPOP planned on buying 1,000 bitcoins. That's their news over the course of the next year. So they have exactly. That's what my son's been saying lately, bruh. I'm like, okay, let me. Come on, son.
Culture's getting to him.
Bruh. Yeah. Yeah, so CPOP's not bad at let's see, at 220. 220 guys, CPOP. I don't know. It's not. I mean, again, chat rooms are all over this stuff right now. What Fades and I ideally want, we want these other tickers to pump so PepG can finally just give it up. I'm funded if PepG halts down, so I kind of am in the same predicament I was in Monday, where I'm like, I don't want to trade anything else.
Yeah,
If this is
yeah.
going to halt down and work out, because then I'm going to risk it.
Mhm. Yeah, I would just
Ah,
say sit on your hands and let this trade work for us.
and if it starts working,
You never want
I'd
to be
like to
too
size it.
predictive, right? But I feel like was like almost a pocket ace hand, like this morning, and it still feels like a good pocket pair setup. That's like my opinion on it. So, with that being said,
Yeah,
since you're
but
so
look,
maybe just
yeah,
like
I'm real close.
stick with it.
So C-pop heavy against 2. That is pulling back off 2. SPRC guys is getting the chat room. Is getting the Warriors on it right now. SPRC climbing up towards 6 and trying to get through it. It's rejecting off of it still. SPRC.
Okay, yeah, it's got that kind of curl reclaim theme. Warriors testing the waters at 50%.
Yeah, trying to get through 6. SPRC spready, trappy, careful there. Very careful there. Fades and I, we're just working the slow pep G short. We've been milking that throughout the morning because of the dilution and offering news there. Up a decent chunk on that right now. And AMPY, man, that gave us sloppy seconds up towards 582 AMPY this morning. CPOP still heavy against 2. SPRC trying to get through that 6 right now.
What happened, Fall? Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Fund us. Fund the 50K and fund Kevin already. He's
Are
way
you
overdue.
going to get funded on this thing?
If it washes well, then I will.
You
That's
DJ.
what I'm looking
You
for
just
today.
opened this account yesterday. You freaking DJ.
I mean, I'm only up like $1,000 on it. I still got 2K to go, but it can happen, bro. You've seen me have multi-K days. Like this stock, I love. I mean, the risk
Yeah,
is
yeah. And
like I'm on it, man.
when you alert me of something in the morning, like I pay attention because you're on these plays.
Yeah, I'm
You're on them,
sticking my
baby.
neck out there to tell you to call it out for you too and stuff.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
usually do that,
That's
but this play, because I got chopped up a little in front side, right? But I was watching the whole time, and like I said, I saw that
yeah.
liquidation top, and then the vibe changed, and it's like, okay, now it's time to really get
Oh,
in.
SPRC halting up. SPRC halting up.
Okay, that might give us a play, maybe like above the high day washout. Like, what
Oh,
do
it
you?
didn't halt. It was a fake halt.
Okay, PEPG
It's
is
trying to
very
halt again.
heavy, guys. Like, I mean, this would take a miracle to reclaim now. Like this, we
Halting
might
now. It's
see this thing's got room to drop dollars.
points, not pennies, baby.
Like this thing can wash out to fours. Like
Should I hit it again here? I'm thinking about it. Now it's not bouncing like it was.
you can put your stop like right above 6.2. Like most of my position is going to stop me out at 6.2 now because like we've just like
Oh, here.
is it going to pop up right here? Yeah. So I got my stop very tight, and then I'll be ready to re-smack it in case it's like a sweep.
What?
But
Yeah.
yeah,
This pig, this Peppa G.
yeah, it's the king of the day chop. So it's like you want to get real sized up and like milk it, but you can't because you're gonna get chopped out because it's the king of the day. And so you have to be humble and size it a little smaller than you'd like. I'm pretty aggressive now. I'm
SLNH.
also on my 50K, and I have a buffer already on the day.
I
So
hate how tunnel I get. Like SLNH was a beautiful hangover. That's working out right now.
here we go.
Okay, Pep G.
Fake out candle. Come on,
Fake
wash,
out.
wash, wash.
Are you hitting it again?
Yeah.
I'm hearing beeping going on over there.
I'm smashed.
I know
I'm
it.
taking. I'm out. I'm in. I'm out. Like I'm milking this thing, dude.
Maybe I should. I'd be done with it. I'm looking for like the bigger picture play, but it just like if I was scalping it like you, just up, short, down, cover, up, short, down, cover. I'd be good. I'd be done with the
And
day.
well, yeah, and honestly, I'm not even really scalping it. I'm more so protecting a massive position.
Oh!
This, yeah, to wait for something
Oh!
where it's gonna like, come on, man, you can't reclaim. Like, there's just no way you get back above 6.2. There's no way.
As
Come on, man, let's get funded. Let's get funded.
I'm funded if I smack it again and we halt down. I'm right there, man. Like 30, 40 more cents. I'm there. I'm there. This week's been crazy, man, for me. This week's been nuts. So I'm gonna come out with a video on it.
Yeah,
Maybe
man.
today if I get it on this trade. I got a lot to talk about. LAC snapping. Yeah, that was gapping up again this morning. So I think I need this thing at like 520 or something.
Definitely,
Dude,
like,
we're right there for a snap, dude. We're right there for a
manage your
snap.
risk so well here. Like, that's the thing. It's worth the tunnel. Like, it's that pocket pair setup. Like, the risk is managed. Like,
Oh my god.
it's gonna chop, bro. It's gonna chop. But my
Yeah,
stop
but
too. Like,
okay.
I'll be
I'm
ready
gonna
to
just
resmack it. I took a little bit of profit there, but not much. Like, I'm in this for the big picture play. Like, I'm watching a lot of green and red come like to and fro right now because
so
I'm
let
in
me
it
just
for the idea like of the fallout under 5, like not just like the 10-cent chop. So like it's good to keep a core with that in mind, but also scalp, right? To like milk both worlds. So like keep a core, but scalp the wicks if you can. Kind of the idea.
okay.
You had a bad day
Okay.
yesterday. I decided to take a payout. My credits from scaling account was declined.
We might crack here. It's going to be
I,
a big old crack if we crack 560. 560's having a hard time. That's where support is. Let's see if we crack under this.
there we go.
550s.
What do you need, bro?
I like probably 520.
Yeah.
But I'm like, do I just scalp it and then I'm there? Do I just take it off and then hit it on another pop? God dang it. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that.
Yeah. Full. 1 second. This is getting heated here. Is anyone else working PEPG with us?
Okay, I'm taking it off. Let me see what I'm at. And then I'm going to re-hit it on a pop. Getting tired of this damn chop.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh,
dude,
you
I'm
took it
sorry.
all off? I don't know if I do that, bro.
I
I
only
wouldn't.
had 125.
Okay. You don't want to miss the
Like,
elevator down, though. Like, if you're
okay, let
that
me.
close to profit, like, leave something because, yeah, you don't
Yeah,
want to.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hit it again for like 50 on a pop. I'll hit
Right.
it another. I'm gonna just.
Yeah. Go, but leave something, right? When we're convicted, we got a good setup like this. You don't want to take it all off and miss, like, more, miss, like,
The 10-cent thing
elevator.
just messes with my head because my average was like 590. So if it
Mhm.
pops back up, like
I've
I
learned
do too
to.
much.
It's
I do too much
hard
math.
to. Yeah, I've basically just learned to stop worrying about what each trade says. If I can get my 10 cents, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna just re-hit it. So then I don't have to
Okay.
worry because that's just adding another piece, right? Adding another element that doesn't need to be there. Like when you have that profit, go ahead and take it and instantly just re-smack it. Eat that dollar fee, have that peace of mind, the profit's locked, like reset, That's
All
that's
right,
my
here we go back down to 550.
yeah, dude. I mean, this thing is weak. Like the bulls are just trapped. Like the bulls, like ever since that top liquidation, man. Like it has been
I think I need like $40, $50. I'm in the same place. SPRC spiking up, guys. 720s, 720s.
if
Straight up, the Warriors are on SPRC.
that's the Warriors capitulated here. They threw in the towel. Come on. 5-5 needs to crack. 5-5 big bid.
I'm hitting it at 5.
Dumped.
Come on, come on, come
5-5
on.
gone.
Come to Papa. Come to
Let's
Papa.
go,
Come to
bro.
Daddy. Come to Daddy.
Let's go.
Oh, Daddy's waiting. Daddy's
Let's
here.
go. Yes, sir.
Daddy's here. Daddy's here. Come on, let's halt down.
Let's go, dude.
if you hit it again, do you have to
I
wait
took
30
my
seconds?
profit and resmacked it with 2/3 of what I had. Just took a big profit trade there. And still in very heavy. Big picture. But I was in super heavy, so I took some
Flush
off.
another 10 cents and I'm good. Flush another 10 cents.
Maybe just take it, bro, if you're that close, because you
Okay.
might be there and you not even realize it, right?
All right, I took it, but
Check real quick and be ready to resmack it though, because you don't want to miss more meat if you need it, because like it's still heavy and probably going to fade lower. Like
I'm
even
at the
take.
exact same point I was at Monday, where I'm at
All
30.
right,
I'm
bro,
there.
don't miss it. We're still fading,
All
bro.
right, all right, all
Don't
right.
miss it.
I gotta go small though, because this is chasing right here. Let me like
Mhm.
any pop, any pop, any pop, any pop, any pop.
That's why I think bigger picture, like. But right now you're thinking small picture because you only need a couple of.
I'm at the exact same place I was at Monday. I need like $10.
Let's see how much I just made.
All right, I'm gonna try to scalp it on a pop.
Nice. Locked in a good bit there. Oh, I'm not even sharing my screen. I forgot.
I'm
How long
hitting
are you
at
streaming for? Are you good? You
five.
about to get off here? Or?
Yeah, I got to in just a second here. So I'm hitting it again. I don't know, like the stop's like 570, 80, something. I don't know. I gotta consider.
580. I definitely don't see it. Even like
Okay,
ultimately, like you
580.
can stay heavy above 6. It's gonna be choppy, so it could chop out a little bit here.
All right, 580 stop on it. All right, SPRC still where all the warriors are. SLNH curling back around a little bit. Yeah, I got like 6-7 minutes, and then I gotta head over there. C-pop over 2 gave everything back.
Mm-mm.
SPRC tapping the 200-day moving average, bro. SPRC's like perfectly tapping that 200-day.
Oh yeah, that's tempting.
That is very tempting, hitting that
That's
level.
tempting, but I'm rightfully so focused on this thing. Until it leads me wrong, I'm just gonna milk this cow, bro.
All right, I'm hitting SPRC against the highs.
Okay. Yeah, like the euphoria scale. Yeah, that's annoying, fall. Sketchy.
So
Yeah, I
how
had to do this morning too on this other app, trying to mess with my money. Had to write support at freaking 5 in the morning. I know how it is. Playing with my money is like
SPRC's
my
working.
emotions.
SPRC's working for me. Hello, Joseph.
Okay, good. PEPG off the 5.5 might just give it up here. Can it even get above that? I'm in decent. I'm looking to add. Probably will add and then start putting stops a little bit above that 5, like even 5.6, 5.7, and adjust it from there. Basically, like hyper scalping, building a big position for that next like leg down.
Oh man, dude.
Yeah, the stop limits are great though. Like for after hours and pre, that really helps us.
Pep G's not going to be able to reclaim, is it? This is going to be crazy. I smacked it on a. It's getting slammed, dude. It's getting slammed on that pop.
I think it'll stay heavy above or below 6 or like 5.8s. Like if it roars through 5.8s, 5.9s, and starts churning, that's going to be a little sketchy.
SPRC dumping.
This thing has like another dollar fade or two. Like $4 is like a realistic price target here, like short term. It's $1.50 of price.
I'm gonna hit SPRC here again.
Spurt.
I'm gonna hit SPRC again and adjust the stop on it.
With how quick it gave it up earlier today on the pump, you'd think that it would probably give it up again.
Oh, baby, come on.
Wicked reclaim.
We halting down. We're halting down SPRC. Okay, so PepG, I need to take off. I think because I think I'm funded if SPRC works. Let me.
Uh, ah,
Did you get it? Did you fat
no.
finger it?
I wish. I tried to fat finger it with 1,000 shares again, but I couldn't get it. I was like a millisecond short.
Okay,
It's
I'm
all right.
taking
It could be
PepG
a
off.
trap. Things a little scary. It halted down right at VWAP, or damn near it. So that would be
Yeah.
a resume.
All right. All right. SPRC's my play right now. I'm at 679 average, and
Mm,
yeah, we'll see where
nice
I'm at with
trade.
this.
Nice. Good one.
If I get like $40 here, I'm good. That's all I
Yeah,
need.
bro. Like, look for that. Just ready to take it at halt and milk that last little bit, right? Because that was my idea. Smack it heavy in the halt down. More oftentimes than not, it's going to wash out and then get that quick scalp, right? Like, just remove that
Yeah,
quick
yeah, yeah.
scalp. Get it.
I
So,
mean,
like,
we knew the Warriors were on it, and we knew.
PUBG
I mean, it was
heavy. PUBG real heavy.
which one? PUBG.
PUBG. The Warriors, yeah. Yeah, dude, I was literally like a millisecond late on that smack. There's like a little bit of delay when I'm switching through tickers. Ah,
As soon as you hear the word halt, you go like, I just hear
yeah,
your
I'm
key.
just like,
I hear you like.
yeah, I'm like, what?
You're
Ah!
like
I almost had to get up and take a lap because I missed it. After yesterday, y'all know why. But
I
I'm
know
fine.
you killed it yesterday. Hello, Joseph.
PPG, like I'm good.
The
'Cause- yeah,
the 8% rule is no longer in effect for evals, so I'm
yeah.
hoping that they like. I may have messed that up like early before they applied that rule, and they may take away
Wash
profits. But
out. Are you in
yeah,
Pepsi or are you all out?
no, I took it off because I'm like
Dang it,
SPRC
dude.
that work. Yeah, I know. I'm like I'm in this
You're
same
so
freaking
close.
mental predicament. I'm in this mental predicament where I'm right there at the fund deal, and
Yeah, your
it
psychology's
messes me
off.
up. It
Because you
messes
leave
me up.
leftovers otherwise. Like on a regular day, you probably wouldn't have sold all out of
I
PUBG.
wouldn't have. I would be super heavy there, just kicking
And
back, letting
you
that
would have
thing
made
fade.
what you needed already on PUBG.
Yeah,
Like if you just kind of held it. Right?
it's so mental, man.
Like PUBG,
Uh,
that's what I'm saying. Like weathering the big ups and downs with a big position, but like big picture, looking for that continued fade, which is given. It just cracked the support level again. I'm hitting the gas on this thing, dude. I'm halfway.
yeah,
I'm halfway
PUBG's
to the 3K.
530s. Yeah, nice.
If I get a wash out here, dude, I might hit it. Like I see.
Size and heavy on the look at that
Mhm.
520s.
Yeah, dude, I'm heavy as all get out on this thing, bro.
Sizing up on the plays that you're convicted with. I mean, that's what you got to do, and you're doing very good job of that. SPRC may open up here within a minute, so if we sell off down towards 6, I think I'm good. Anybody got the open price on it?
Come on, baby. There's the 5.2s that you needed. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right?
PUBG, let's go. Good work, man. 5.2s. God, that is
Come
beauty.
on, baby. I'm at
Doug,
5,100
6.
right now.
Okay, if that opens at 6, I'm planning on taking off like everything nearly, but leaving just a
Yeah,
small
bro.
piece.
Yeah, remember, leave like a tiny, tiny bit for the rule. How annoying would that be? You like panic and close it all and then the halt rule.
618.
Dude, this thing is beautiful, man. This is exactly what I was waiting for. It's like I knew this was coming.
You were
Can't
on it, man.
it can't stay up. Like with that
It can't.
offering room in, it just can't. Like
They can't.
especially
Yeah.
with shiny sky sparks flying. I mean, what bull wants to hold this thing?
Not this bull. Not this bull. Where's she at? In the teens now, bro?
Yes, sir.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Come on. Stay heavy. Stay heavy. Stay heavy.
Are you in it? Oh, you're in Sky Sport.
SPRC opened up.
Well, how does it? What's it doing?
I just need it to sell off. It just opened up. It's fluctuating all around.
Okay, I just took a big chunk of profit again. Resmacking. Still in big, but not as big as I was. On PepG, that is.
Come on, man. I need this thing low sixes. It's buying up here, though.
Were you able to lock profit, or was it like a trappy haul?
No, it wasn't enough. I'm just eyes are glued to it right now, seeing what it's gonna do.
Keep an eye on PepG. Might give you like a sloppy entry to just kind of catch a piece and ride it down. I'm still feeling good about this play. Like it's going to bounce around a little bit, but big picture still has like 20-30% to give on the day, if not more.
Another sell off here, maybe. Come on, come on, come on! Taking a piece off! Taking it! Oh! Let me find out. I'm at 15.50, exactly where I was on Monday. I probably need another $1.
Still? Oh my
Yes, God. I'm at the 30%. I'm on the max, so I'm at 30%, and I probably need that at 29. I'm still not locked out of it. It says 30% out at 30%.
Just smack PepG and forget about it. Take it away.
This is exactly where I was Monday. Went full tilt and lost it all. All right, let me SPRC. I'm gonna, if that pops up towards 670s, 80s, I'm gonna hit small. I mean, I'm looking for like $5, but I gotta head over to TTP's channel right now.
Oh my God, dude!
With all this,
there's a big seller at God
on PepG.
If you would have just held PepG, you would have got it.
I know. So PepG may be an entry here.
Yeah, there's a big seller at 539. I mean, is that true? It probably is the nature of this ticker. Let's see.
All right, I'm gonna hit it PepG for like 50 shares and look to ride at like 10 cents if it pops here.
Yeah. Just take a little bit, maybe even the expectation to add a little bit more. You know, you might not get the perfect entry, but big picture, we're pretty sure where this is going, right? It's like it just had another rejection, bro.
All right, this is a horrible place for me to be right now because let me go over to TTP and try to get my mental self together so I don't F this up again.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Fade.
Yeah. Don't overwhelm yourself, bro. Like maybe just step away for a bit, or get in PepG small and set a stop and let it work. You know. But yeah, do not force it. Like,
I'm good. It says waiting for risk. It says waiting for the risk team. I'm good.
Oh, it changed over?
Yes.
Nice.
Funded accounts.
Oh man.
Let me show you guys that real quick. Sorry, before I head out. Wow. What a week for me.
Awesome, dude.
This was unbelievable. I'll show you the team real quick, and then guys head over to TTP. I'll be over there. Here we go. Finally. Good Lord, what do I got to do? I feel like I got to work on the side of the road, be a stripper. Getting this funded account too much. Got to strip for this market, man. All right.
Yeah, it's all good though, because like we said, I was confused about the payout process, but like we talked about, you don't have to make much money to get paid now once you're funded. Like I think you only have to make $300 before you can get payout.
I ain't reading all that.
It's 3 days of profitability and like $300
on your
request.
I wanted to show my
It's
account.
gonna
Can I not
take a
show it?
couple of days for them to get it going though, so I just kind of work at eval. Like,
Oh,
just
here it is.
know that you're probably not going to be trading your fund until like next week. It won't be live till Monday if I had to guess.
Okay, yeah, here's the chart. I'm fairly happy with that. I'll do a video later discussing it, but for now I gotta head over there. I'm a little late. So head over to TTP. I want to catch up with you guys. I didn't get to hang out with some of you and Byron as well. I want to look at your messages. But thank you, Fade, so much. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. We'll talk in a little bit. Great work on the PEP G.
Yep,
See you
good
guys.
work. Good work, bro.
Yep.
Congratulations.